In this video, we're going to go over chamfering. To start, I'm going to show you a way that you can do it if you don't know how to use the chamfer tool, and then I'll show you the chamfer tool. So right now, I have drawn the general shape for assignment or drawing number 9. I'm just going to find the midpoint. This is the same point where I'm adding in that 1/4 inch radius circle. I'm just going to trim this. Now, actually I don't want to trim that yet. From this point, I want to find the midpoint. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line in there, and that's going to allow me to snap to the midpoint. If I find that midpoint, I can then go at this 45 degree. But I have 0, 90, so then I have to add 45 to that. So that's going to be 135. And then I can trim that. So that is one way you can create your chamfer. But another way is to use the chamfer tool. That's right here next to the drop down next to fillet. Or you can start typing it. So you see I have chamfer. Now, it specifically starts by looking for 2 distances. I don't have 2 distances, so I'm going to select angle. And it says, okay, specify the chamfer length in the first line. For our example here, it's going to be that 1/2 of 3/4 or 3/8. So I'm going to type my 3/8, and then I know that it has to be at a 45 degree angle. And then from there, I just have to click my 2 lines, and it'll create that chamfer for me. In order to reactivate that tool, I'm just going to press enter again, and notice it keeps those measurements there for me. Hopefully this helps create those chamfered edges or corners on CAD Drawing 9. Good luck.